Claude Code tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to Visual Studio Code terminal and type this program on the terminal to begin the installation process. Wait until Claude is fully installed on your Visual Studio Code environment. After Claude has finished installing, go ahead and type Claude in the terminal to launch the application. You will see several theme options available, including light mode or dark mode for your interface preference. Next, select which login method you want to use from the available options: Claude account with subscription or 𝗕𝘂𝗾𝗂𝗀𝘀 account. After making your selection, you will be redirected to your browser to log in to your Claude account. Once you have successfully logged in through the browser, you will be given a verification code. Copy this code and paste it into the terminal, then press Enter to confirm. When you are presented with terminal setup options, select Yes, use recommended settings to proceed with the optimal configuration. Click Proceed to finalize the setup process. Now you can use Claude Code to help you with your development projects and coding tasks.